see the water, baby? We're going to the beach. Good official morning, guys. Here's Daddy!
¿Qué pasa?
We were just waiting on him. Hey, look, Bobby's excited to see you.
Yo!
Yo! He says, it's my dad!
Alright, let's go farm it up.
Bubba, what are you going to do today?
A farm.
The farm?
Farm.
You're going to go to the farm? Well, you, sir, are correct. And you got the monster truck. That's very good. Very important to have. And a tractor. You got to show all of the stuff that you have. What else do you have? The wheels. And the tractor and the monster truck. You have an apple. And some juice.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah. He's gonna start singing Blippi. I think it's starting to rain. We're supposed to get a thunderstorm today.
Ooh.
Lightning and thunder today.
You want to go hold on to metal objects on top of a hill?
No. Not during a thunderstorm anyways. Anyways, what are we doing at the farm?
We're going to tune up my cousin's bow for elk season. He put a whole bunch of new stuff on it, so now we gotta make sure it shoots where it's supposed to. And that's my morning.
Airplanes! There's so many airplanes here, so he is like so excited. He's just going crazy for them, just watching them. We're like right by an airport, so he's seen lots of action. Have you seen the airplanes?
What happened?
Oh no, what happened? It flew bye-bye. It flew away. Did Dad get it? Did Dad get the bullseye? Bubba, can you say bullseye?
Yeah.
Say bullseye.
Oh, I.
Say you got it, Dad. Ooh. It's like fireworks. We're like, ooh, ah. I love it. I've never seen a storm like this before. Yeah, never. Ooh, raindrop.
Alright, grab a side of this.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man.
That was like right there behind the tree. Maybe we should go inside. I think like it's getting real close. Let's go inside. We're done. I'm calling it. This is so crazy. Have you ever seen lightning like this, babe?
Oh, yeah. Thunder rolls with the lightning storm. Wow, wow, wow.
No way. This is like too intense for me. That was scary. I swear to God, it hit like right there.
Jam.
I don't think I would be going anywhere right now. Not after seeing that. Just stay here for another like half hour or so. You're scared. Oh no, what happened? The lightning and thunder woke you up and you're scared? Oh, the lights. You want to go check it out? Was it lighting up your room? What's going on out there? And it's raining. We gotta stay back. We can't go out there, but we can look. You want to go look at it? Okay.
Look.
What do you think? You want to talk about the storm? About the lightning storm? The lightning storm. See, that was one of the craziest storms I've ever seen. Craziest storm Mom's ever seen ever in her life. Bubby's never seen anything like that, huh? It woke you up?
No.
Okay, well, I think that's pretty much it for this video. We will see you next time.
Good next time. Bye.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see more of our videos. Open your mouth, baby. Close your mouth. Close it.